Hi, and welcome to a tutorial about how to sync your cloud document repositories such as G Drive, OneDrive, and SharePoint with EA. This is a great way to make sure that you can continue working in places such as Google Sheets, Google Docs, Word, or Excel, and not have to manually sync your documents with EA. So, to do this, let's go to the Documents library. We'll go to Integrations, Add Integration, and I'll show you Google Drive to start with. We'll click on Google Drive and we'll be asked to log in. From here, we'll be able to title the integration, so I will call it Hughes G Drive. We'll be able to set our sync schedule, manual, every day, every week, or every month. I'll leave it as manual for now. And we'll be able to select the files and folders in Google Drive. This will open the file picker from Google, and we'll be able to see my one file that I have here. And there it is. This is now selected and I can complete setup. What will happen now is the integration is syncing, and after a second it will pop up, show us the last sync time, the owner of the integration, and the name of the integration. If there are any issues or we want to change what documents have been synced, we can use the Edit Settings button here. Or if our sync schedule hasn't captured all of the updates, we can manually sync it here. Of course, you can always delete an integration. What I want to do now is show you a SharePoint integration, as the file picker is ever so slightly different. So again, I will click Add Integration, SharePoint, and I will title this Hughes SharePoint. And what you can see here is I don't have to click on another button to open the file picker. I just have it available. So let's go to Public Test, Documents, Public Integration Test, and select this file, Complete Setup. Again, after a second, when the integration has synced, we will see all of the relevant information, sync date, owner, and name, with the same icons. These will now be parsed in the document library, and if you have any issues, please use the Get Help button in the bottom left-hand corner.